Have you ever wondered how the trillions of microorganisms in your gut affect your overall health? The gut microbiome, a vibrant community of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and more, plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and weight management. A balanced gut breaks down food and extracts essential nutrients. Beneficial bacteria produce enzymes and ferment dietary fibers into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which nourish colon cells, reduce inflammation, and regulate metabolism. When this balance is disrupted, a state known as dysbiosis can lead to digestive issues, poor nutrient absorption, and increased inflammation. Beyond digestion, your gut microbiome is central to immune function. About 70% of your immune cells reside in your gastrointestinal tract, interacting with gut microbes to distinguish between harmful invaders and benign substances. A healthy, diverse microbiome trains your immune system, reducing the risk of chronic inflammation, allergies, and autoimmune responses. Conversely, an imbalance may trigger overactive immune reactions, contributing to conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease. Gut health also plays a key role in weight management. Studies show that individuals with obesity often have an altered microbial profile compared to lean individuals. Certain bacteria can extract calories more efficiently from food, potentially leading to weight gain over time. Additionally, dysbiosis may impair insulin sensitivity and promote low-grade inflammation, both linked to metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. In contrast, a balanced microbiome supports healthy metabolism by regulating fat storage and energy expenditure. Nurturing your gut begins with a diverse, fiber-rich diet. A wide array of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains provides prebiotics that fuel beneficial bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi supply probiotics, live microorganisms that help restore balance. Minimizing processed foods and added sugars further prevents the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. Lifestyle factors also support gut health. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and proper hydration all contribute to a balanced microbiome. Even the careful use of antibiotics is important, since these medications can disrupt gut balance by eliminating both harmful and beneficial bacteria. Taking a quality probiotic during and after antibiotic treatment may help restore your gut flora. In summary, a healthy gut microbiome is essential for effective digestion, robust immunity, and balanced weight management. By embracing a nutrient-dense, varied diet and positive lifestyle habits, you can foster a thriving gut environment that enhances overall well-being. In this video, we share practical tips and scientific insights to help you nurture your gut health and unlock a more vibrant, energetic life.